Nederman, the premier supplier of fume and dust source capture equipment since 1944, developed the most advanced technology available today, the Magna systems. Nederman has dedicated more than 50 years to a single aim, to help its customers create personal workspace free from harmful air, noise, and light. The Magna system was designed together with firefighters to meet their demands for ease of use, reliability, and durability, specifically for the fire station and emergency vehicle market. Nederman is a company which specializes in solving environmental workspace problems by meeting and exceeding BOCA and OSHA requirements. Nederman is the world leader in the environmental fire station market and continues to invest resources in product development. Nederman is a proud sponsor of the Firefighter Combat Challenge. It gives us great pleasure to support the firefighting community that gives us so much. No one should have to worry about their health from dangerous diesel exhaust fumes. Nederman exhaust removal equipment captures 100% of dangerous exhaust emissions directly at the tailpipe and safely removes those emissions outside the building. This can all be accomplished without the use of hanging looping hoses, nozzles creating excessive heat, or bending over for connection. You can depend on Nederman Magna systems for a complete solution to your exhaust removal needs and to keep your facility free from noxious odors and soot buildup caused by harmful diesel exhaust contamination. The Magna systems. The Magna Track for back-in bays and drive-through applications. The Magna Rail for multi-vehicles parked in tandem, and the Magna Stack for vertical exhaust stack pipes. A complete solution for any facility needing diesel exhaust removal. The Magna systems feature a maintenance-free, patented electromagnetic coupling. The Magna Track, Nederman's flagship system, works in 2 easy steps. Position the nozzle to the tailpipe and attach the electromagnet assembly on the hose to the anchor plate mounted on the vehicle. It's that simple. The HB nozzle maintains its position on the tailpipe by means of leaf springs. The Magna Track has no moving parts within the nozzle. The wide nozzle opening allows entry of cooler, ambient air, reducing temperature and permitting extended periods of use. As the electromagnet is placed on the anchor plate, the HB nozzle face rests at the tailpipe. An inner leaf spring and the electromagnet connection create the holding force, resulting in no unnecessary pulling forces on the vehicle tailpipe. The location of the anchor plate adds to the safety of personnel by allowing the operator to stand upright during the hookup procedure, keeping the vertical hose tight to the vehicle. The electromagnet and anchor plate connection are the lead pulling components upon vehicle exit. As the vehicle leaves, the rest of the system follows, automatically releasing at the door. The magnet does all of the work. No mechanical valves, wires, air lines, or loops of hose are needed. The manual override switch de-energizes the magnet when pushed. For example, when accessing the storage compartments or washing the vehicle, simply press the switch and the hose assembly detaches from the vehicle. Nederman's electromagnet technology eliminates the need for a safety backup disconnection system. The Nederman system requires only minimal force for the magnet to disconnect from the vehicle. Once again, as the tailpipe passes the exit door, the electromagnet is automatically de-energized when passing a disconnection point, allowing the nozzle and hose to smoothly separate from the vehicle. The balancer keeps the vertical hose off the floor at all times, so no premature scuffing or wear occurs. Upon return, the Magna Track is easy, simple, and as you can plainly see, safe to use. The Magna Track horizontal and upper vertical hoses are lightweight, but durable and highly flexible. All access hoses are stored overhead and out of the way. The Nederman Magna rail system offers you full coverage for drive-through bays and back-in bays for multiple vehicles. The Magna rail, like the Magna track, can be adapted to a variety of vehicles. What you see here is the same vertical drop of hose as on the Magna track, attached to a traveling trolley that is mounted into a suction duct or rail. The primary feature of the Magna rail is range of travel and method of moving the vertical hose, which, as you can see, is identical to the Magna track. A closer look at the trolley during travel shows smooth movement in the suction rail. The entire vertical assembly stops at a predetermined point near the door exit. The attractive feature of the Magna rail technology is that only a singular hose drop for each vehicle is all that moves throughout the bay. Like the Magna track, return hookup procedure is identical. The front vehicle travels freely and unrestricted to its assigned space with the trolley overhead and vertical drop safely alongside the vehicle. The rear vehicle enters in a similar fashion. The Magna stack, for vertical exhaust stacks, is automatic, completely self-aligning, and very compact. The Magna stack is mounted to the ceiling and is in alignment with the vertical exhaust pipe's path of movement. The Magna stack suction carriage is custom fitted to the vertical exhaust pipe during installation, so that total enclosure of the pipe outlet is fully ducted into the airstream for maximum extraction efficiency. Upon exit, the vertical exhaust pipe easily pulls the suction carriage to the door exit and is smoothly released. Upon vehicle re-entry, locating arms at the front of the suction carriage act as alignment guides. Combined with left to right movement of the guide track, the Magna stack offers a generous re-entry tolerance for the driver. The suction carriage locks onto the vertical exhaust stack using the Nederman electromagnet, and a pivoting locating arm keeps the vertical exhaust pipe in position. Upon vehicle exit, the electromagnet is de-energized as a micro switch contacts the disconnection plate. The disconnection plate is mounted to the guide track near the door exit. Magna stack, for vertical exhaust stacks, is a system that is automatic, completely self-aligning, and very compact. A variety of options are available for fan activation. Nederman's primary offering is the Auto Start unit, a unique and fail-safe way of starting the fan using radio control. Here's how it works. When the diesel engine key is turned for ignition, a transmitter mounted in the vehicle sends a signal to a receiver that responds to a control console mounted in the apparatus room. The console activates the fan. The fan actually starts before the operator energizes the engine, ensuring the complete capture of contaminants. This is an important feature, since the fan is now at full RPM before the vehicle creates exhaust. The fan is automatically started upon return, allowing the nozzle to be reconnected without contaminating the firefighter's breathing zone. In addition, Nederman offers additional fan controls, such as pressure sensor with a variable automatic timer or a manual palm switch. All Magna series systems connect to a network of round duct, then to a fan that safely discharges the dangerous fumes out of the building. Nederman offers a full line of fans and the technology to add self-cleaning central filters and silencers as needed. The Nederman team is committed to supporting our products. Our expert field staff will perform a free engineering survey and recommend the right equipment for your application. We offer turnkey installations or provide mechanical supervision. Nederman Magna systems are easy to use and cost-effective. The Nederman Magna systems can be installed in new or existing facilities. Nederman products are extremely reliable, requiring virtually no maintenance and do not require costly maintenance contracts. For example, the City of Taylor has had this system in place for 8 years, and as you can see, continues to work as designed. The Magna series product line from Nederman, the world's leader in fume extraction, is the total solution for your exhaust extraction requirements. Keep your facility free from noxious odors and soot generated by diesel exhaust contamination. For more information, contact Nederman at 1-800-575-0609.